Bro, this is kind of hard to hold. Bro, I just folded. Duh, it is your boy Coleman back with a whole nother video, bro. Today, I know I haven't uploaded in a minute, but we are back on the grind. So today I am about to do a different type of mystery box. Like, I don't think this has ever been done before. This is a brand deal sponsorship mystery box. Now, I do know what this package is right here. This is like, I guess you can call it somewhat hype beast, but I'm only gonna give y'all a hint because I'm saving this for last. Box logo. In this video, it's a couple brands. I got most of this for free, but this package, which I'm gonna unbox at the end. I will be reviewing these items with you guys. Shout out to all the companies that sent me these items. And the number I put for the title is just an estimate of what I think I can price all this at. But we're gonna get straight into this video. But make sure you guys subscribe because we are so close to 15K, bro. We're like less than 20 away. So make sure you press that. Whoa, 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 dark ass nigga, chill, yeah. All right, bet. I have to put these on the ground right now. Two of these packages out of the ones you saw are already open. Got them a while ago. But this one is a package from Bitcoin Depot. Also, the shirt I'm wearing right now. Now, if you guys are interested in investing, you know, in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, do it through Bitcoin Depot. They are a Bitcoin, you know, company that you can invest your money in through them. They sent me this little gift package. So obviously they sent me, you know, this Bitcoin Depot shirt. I'm linking their Instagram in the description below, so you can check them out. But they gave me this package. I got this shirt. Also, I got some more shirts in it too to show y'all. They gave me this little package. So in here, I got. All right, so I moved this camera down a little bit, and I'm trying to sit back. So they gave me, you know, 2 Bitcoin Depot pens. They gave me a pop socket for my phone. I slick might use this. A Bitcoin sticker, so the Bitcoin Depot logo, Bitcoin machine sticker, or stickers. Other than that, they hooked me up with this white tee. They gave me this black Bitcoin Depot tee. They gave me this green Bitcoin Depot tee. And they gave me this burgundy Bitcoin Depot tee. So, shout out to Bitcoin Depot for that package. We're about to be getting on to the next one. Like I said, if you guys are interested in investing in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and I think Litecoin, you should probably do it through them. Okay, now here's the other one that I also opened. Now, out of these so far, I haven't seen the others, but I do like this one the most. This one is from Solfing. Now, they are a shoe company. Their shoes do come from China, but they are also based in New York. Now, this shoe, bro, like, if you guys missed it, you gotta follow me on Instagram. I did a giveaway. The giveaway winner is a really supportive person, so I know she's gonna watch this video, but she did win the giveaway. I did a whole giveaway on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me at ColeWeather1. Obviously, it looks like somebody drawed on this shoe, but it's a dope shoe. People with the cream white Yeezys, they're doing this a lot, like drawing on their shoes or whatever. So I honestly think this is fine. It also says, I am sneaker fans on this side. I don't even know what that is in Chinese. I don't know. It says New York, and then it says Solfing for style. Some stuff on the midsole. Also Solfing logo on the midsole. And then it says ... so fun on the midsole. Also, if you buy some shoes through Solfing, you will also get an extra pair of soles. So there were some soles that came in here which are lighter, and then they also give you, some more comfier soles. I'm not gonna cap, like, I actually am going to be wearing these. These are a dope, like, bro, it's a dope sneaker. Like, you literally see it. And at the end of the day, if I like it, I'm gonna wear it. It doesn't matter about the brand. Which, I mean, brands do matter, but I actually like this shoe, so I'm gonna wear it. And it comes in, you know, this like Yeezy inspired box, so really do like it. So shout out to Solfing. I'll be linking their Instagram in the description below as well. So like this, but I have no clue. I'm about to see. I have a Supreme knife literally for this too. Oh, okay, hold on. I remember these. These are another pair of shoes. So these are shoes from Belilent. So these shoes, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, but it's a company called Belilent. So Belilent sent me these shoes. They're like an athletic sneaker. I remember they did let me choose these. I completely forgot. If I go to the pool, if I go to the beach, because like at the end of the day, bro, I got sponsored to wear these shoes. So I'm not mad. I'm going to be wearing these, but it's a really like thin material. These shoes really, they feel really light. Like I'm definitely like going to bring these to like the beach because I am going to Florida pretty soon, so I'm definitely going to be bringing these to Florida. You can see them up close. A really thin light shoe. Like these, you probably won't even think you have shoes on. Kind of looks like a Vapor Max, kinda. The brand is Belilent, if I'm saying it right. Belilent. You can see it in the midsole right there. Belilent. That's how the company's pronounced or spelled. Thank you for sending me these shoes. Really gonna appreciate them. I'm going to be wearing these at the beach, most definitely. Also from Solfing, but these aren't shoes. These are actually some track pants. Forgot, bro. I'm remembering like as I'm doing this video. So, like I said, Solfing. You gotta follow them right now. Piece of paper with their social media handles on them. This is the side. So we got some pants from Solfing. Ooh, ooh, oh, these, hold on. All right, now this might be my favorite because I really am in need of some more pants, and I already love the color black. But they also have zippers on the outside bottoms of the shoe, and I can see it's like a slim taper fit. If you can already see right here, it's like a jogger fit with these pants. They have the Solfing logo right here, also on the back, and they also on the front. They have Solfing right here on my left, probably your right pants sleeve. You know, they have these dotted like threading lines as a design. I really do like these. Like this, ooh, yeah. Hey, comment section below if you guys think Solfing should do another giveaway. I don't know if I can talk them into doing another one, but we can see if you guys want so. The last package that we have is from the mystery box plug, the OG mystery box plug. Okay, I'm gonna need the Supreme knife. This is from Plug National. I'm trying to hurry up, my camera's dying, Jesus. But like I said, box logo. You're gonna be thinking, you know, that it's, I know what you're thinking that this is, but it's not that. But it is a box logo. And I have caught from this brand multiple times. But, dang, bruh. What did they wrap this in? So we got the black box logo from Kith. And it's DS, a Kith box logo. It's still in the plastic, bro. You see the style code right there. Retail is $160 for this. Hold on, let me take this out. I'm sorry, I'm taking this out the wrapper. Whoo, yep, there goes, undies. But I don't care because I'm wearing this. Kith box logo hoodie, bro. I can't remember when this dropped, but I think it was actually recently because I think he got it on the release day. Dang, he got it DS for real. I'm putting this on right now. I don't care. Yes, sir. I need some more hoodies for the winter. In Atlanta, it's just raining. Like, it's not even cold no more. It's just bad weather outside. So I needed this box logo hoodie. Cannot wait to rock this at the mall. Might do it today. Oh, yeah, duh, I'm gonna tell you to smash the like button. Duh, I'm gonna tell you to subscribe. If you want to interact with any of the sponsorships in this video, all their social media handles will be down below. Make sure you check them out. Comment some more video ideas. Comment what you think of this fire hoodie, bro. Bro. Come on.